say two lovebirds are chasing each other. Thankfully, let's bring that one down a bit. It's like an hour 40. So this one and its partner. Look at him, still going. Hopefully he lands. You can see the way he flies. It's a nice, slow, relaxed flight. It's the way he flies. And up higher is the saddle, which was up higher than him. That's like his grandma. Sometimes he won't even come. He'll come the next day. It's crazy. Wow, he actually landed. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's an awesome job. Hopefully this silly saddle comes down. Yeah. Birds are getting there slowly. I'd rather take my time this time. It looks like it's actually working better. Patience is hard. Oh no, he's going conventional.